At RealDoff, we prioritize your operational ease, ensuring the reliable performance of your machines. Our comprehensive preventive maintenance programs are designed to make machine maintenance easy and convenient, optimizing performance and ensuring smooth operations. A preventive maintenance agreement, PMA, from RealDoff goes beyond routine care. It's a total care concept that guarantees your machine's optimal performance throughout its service life. By identifying hidden inefficiencies, you can keep production costs in check. Structured, scheduled preventive maintenance minimizes the risk of unplanned downtime, providing reliability and availability. Imagine a scenario where a plant operating at high capacity with hundreds of thousands of packs per day experiences unscheduled downtime. This results in a substantial financial setback due to decreased output. Our preventive maintenance program mitigates these risks, reducing unplanned downtime by several days annually. The positive impact is evident. Increased machine output translating into millions of additional packages. In contrast, relying on reactive maintenance can lead to financial losses. RealDoff's preventive maintenance program is cost-effective, offering the best returns throughout your equipment's lifetime. Our associates are ready to provide further information, emphasizing the long-term economic benefits of maintaining optimal machine performance. Make the smart investment today and secure the future reliability and availability of your machines with RealDoff's preventive maintenance program.